The 2013 McLaren MP4-12C Spyder Terso Japan Limited Edition by Fab Design. Do you remember the McLaren MP4-12C Terso tuning package Fab Design announced last year? The same treatment has also been applied to the Spyder version and the result is equally impressive. The model, which is officially called the Terso Japan Limited Edition, was unveiled at the 2013 Tokyo Auto Salon and will be limited to only 10 units. Just like with the Terso Coupe, the new Spyder version receives a pretty impressive aerodynamic kit and some amazing updates under the hood. For the exterior, the tuner adds a new front skirt with larger air intakes, new side skirts, redesigned side air intakes, a new rear bumper, a new diffuser and a rear spoiler. The car sits on a set of 20-inch, 3-part forged wheels wrapped in Dunlop SP SportMaxx tires. For the interior, Fab offers their customers the possibility to choose between a wide range of leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber and aluminum. Under the hood, Fab applied the same treatment as they did in the Coupe, as they have installed a new in-house stainless steel sports exhaust and a 3-chamber carbon tailpipe. The end result is a total of 680 horsepower and a peak torque of 527 pound-feet. The 0 to 60 mph sprint now takes just 3 seconds and the top speed goes up to an impressive 213 miles per hour.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.